How to add daily work and view daily progress report. To add daily work, go to Project Dashboard. Select Daily Worksheet. Click Add New to create new worksheet. Select Date. Select Daily Work. Select the location type where this work is done, like wing, amenities, or common development. Select location. Select floor. Select unit numbers. Here you can select multiple floor and multiple unit numbers. Select department of work. Select contractor. If you select a specific department, the contractor associated with that department will automatically update here, and similarly. If you select the contractor first, the department related to that contractor will update here for selection. Work type. Here you get a list of task name according to the selected department. Fill the details of work done with its measurement unit. Fill the number of skilled and unskilled laborers and select the shift of work. Add material consumption. Here you get the list of materials which are in current inventory. With selection of material you get the available stock of the material. Insert the used quantity and press enter for adding more material. If you want to add the stock or the new material in inventory, then click plus. Here you get the remarks section to write about work. You can attach work photos by either uploading from gallery or taking pictures at site. Click Add New Work for adding another work details. Or else, click on Save. You can add new location, contractor, work type and material by pressing plus button. You can also add this from master records. For view the daily progress report, go to Project Dashboard. Select Reports. Click on Daily Progress. Here you can get the list of daily work reports filled by different team members. Click on the report you want to view. Here you find the daily progress report with site photographs. You can also generate PDF and Excel of this report, which you can share.